Hello YouTube, and today we are going to be doing some burping. You'll see the secret to burping is to let yourself go. Release your inner burp. Yes, yummalicious.
Wait.
Ew, that stinks as shit.
I know.
It smells really bad.
I think I ate broccoli today.
Yum, yum. Now that's what I call a nice burp.
Tasty.
For all you viewers out there,
And
yum,
thank you
yum.
for viewing. Flem something. You commented and inspired us to make another video. So
Yeah.
thanks. Comment.
By the
Get
way,
your friends. And yeah.
what was that guy's name again? That person who commented.
Flim.
Anyways, like Flim or whoever you are. Thanks for commenting. You're a fan now. Yeah.
Subscribe, please.
So here's some more burps.
All the Flim. Check out all of it.
Yummalicious.
You might. Do you need a fart?
Yum yum.
Do you need a fart?
I don't need a fart right now.
4 in a row that was, so yeah.
That's very yummy.
I got a good one coming.
Yummy. That is some scrumdiddlyumptious stuff.
Very tasty. If you try to burp and you burp really loud, thank you. That means a lot to us. Because if you burp, it's good.
Yes, very good. Be sure to also check out our other videos. Yes. Just type in Mr. Dan's Caps TV. You will not be disappointed. I am sending my magic through a burp. So you will watch our videos. Or you will be cursed with burps for life. And you will die.
The burps will send through the screen and I'm gonna kill you!
Yummy. Yummy.
That's really is yummy.
It really is delicious. Shut up, Mom. So, comment down there. And rate
There. No, and subscribe there.
And subscribe there.
Not this way.
Or there, wherever the hell it is.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Keep a close look on YouTube, because we'll be posting more videos very soon.
And if you subscribe, you'll have more of them videos.
So, have a burptastic day. And we're out.